Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Apollo.io sequences step by step to build a multi-channel outreach workflow for the emails, LinkedIn and phone calls. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Apollo.io for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Apollo.io. When you are here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign up absolutely for free. Click on this sign up for free option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you can enter your email address and then sign up. You can also continue with the help of your Google account or your Microsoft account. So whichever method you choose, you just have to basically get access to your Apollo.io dashboard. So it is going to look something like this. Over here in the left hand section, the first thing that you need to do here is to simply look for the option that says engage. Inside the engage section, you will see the option of sequences. When you click on the sequences pages, you will be landed here on the sequences page. So this page is where Apollo manages all of your outreach workflows. Here you are going to see some of the existing sequences that you have already created, the performance metrics for those sequences, plus some of the options to edit, pause or duplicate the sequences. So if you are setting this up for the very first time, this list may be empty, which is empty in my case as well. So to start creating your workflow, simply click on the option of create sequence button here in the bottom. Now Apollo is going to show you some of the different ways to build your sequences. So you will typically see four options. You will have the first option would be of AI assisted sequences. Then we have templates. Afterwards, we will have the option of clone existing sequences or create from the scratch. So for beginners, the easiest options are templates or AI assisted sequences because Apollo automatically creates a starting structure for you. Now, if you select the templates, Apollo is going to provide you some of the ready-made outreach workflows based on the common sales scenarios. So currently I've used their AI assistant in order to create this type of sequence for myself. So as you can see, the interface displays the full structure of the outreach workflow. Each of the part of the sequence is shown as a step. For example, the first step here is of manual email. Then if you just scroll down, the step 2 is of phone call. Then when you scroll down, you will see the third step of LinkedIn and so on. We have a bunch of different steps available in this particular sequence. Now each step has a delay timer which determines how long Apollo waits before moving to the next action. You can also click on any one of the steps in order to edit its content. For example, let's say I have selected this particular step. So in order to change its content, I can just simply click on it and then I can basically start making changes into it. If I want to select the contact, I can click on this drop down menu and search for the contact from the list. If I just scroll down, you will see this is our phone call template. So this is the script which has been generated by the AI assistants from Apollo. But if I want to make changes into any of the things over here in this particular paragraph, I can definitely just go ahead and start editing right away. Apollo also allows you to personalize the emails automatically using the contact data from your prospect list. This is going to help your messages feel more personal even though they are automated. Now, one of the most powerful features of Apollo sequences is multi-channel outreach. Instead of sending only emails, you can combine multiple outreach actions in the same workflow. So to add a new action, you just have to scroll all the way down of this particular sequence. Here you will find the option of add a step. As soon as you click on it, Apollo is going to display several type of steps in front of you. So like we have automatic email, manual email, phone calls, action items. So some of the steps I have already added in my sequence, but if I want to add, let's say, this particular step, which is LinkedIn interact with post, I can just simply click on it, and as you can see, it is our 7th step which's been added over here. So you can also create a multi-channel sequence for yourself, which can look something like this. In the day 1, you are going to send the intro email. Then on the day 2, you are going to send the LinkedIn connection request. Then on day 3, you can send the follow-up emails. Afterwards, on day 5, you can call the prospect. And on day 7, you can send them the final email. So adding multiple channels increases your chances of getting a response because the prospects see your name across the different platforms. Now each of these steps in the sequence can have a custom delay. This delay controls when the next action happens. For example, you might want LinkedIn connection request to happen 2 hours after the first email, or you may want the second email to be sent 3 days later. So to adjust the timing, you just have to simply click on the delay section between the steps. So after clicking on it, you can basically provide the execute step after. Here we have days available. When you click on this drop down menu, you can select it to hours. So let's say I selected to 2 hours and then click on the option of save. So this flexibility allows you to design a natural outreach flow that doesn't overwhelm your prospects. Now, if your sequence includes phone call tasks, Apollo allows you to add the notes or the script for those calls. So as you can see in my sequence, I have the second step of phone calls. So you will see the section where you can basically write a call introduction script, which is this script. So this is going to help you stay consistent when you are making the calls. Apollo also offers the AI generated call guide, which creates a personalized script based on your prospect's profile. Now, before Apollo can send the automated emails, you must connect your email account with it. So here, when you click on the sequences option and click on the option of confirm, on the top, it is going to show you this type of ribbon which says, please connect your email account to start managing and sending the emails via Apollo. So click on the option of link mailbox. Afterwards, you need to link either your Google account, your Outlook account, or any other account with it. So first of all, agree to the terms and conditions and click on the option of link mailbox. After connecting your mailbox, it's important that you enable the email warm-up. The warm-up helps protect your email reputation and also prevents your message from going to the spam. Apollo also offer the two warm-up options. The first would be of automated warm-up and the next one would be of inbox ramp-up. So with automated warm-up, Apollo gradually increases the number of emails that your account can send every single day. This makes your email activity look natural for the email providers. So that's how you can basically build and run a multi-channel sequence in Apollo step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.